So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well and I hope you guys are happy. I'm doing amazing. Go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and let's go ahead and get the video started. Okay, so I wanted to actually do a clean with me, but I actually don't have enough time to film that, so I think I am going to do that a little later. But I was walking around the house and I noticed how I'm seeing marks on the wall. Now, you guys know we've been moving things in. We've had pretty much a different delivery service here almost every week since we've been here. So we've really been trying to get things out that we don't need and get some new furniture in, furnish the home, and just get it to feel like home to us. And it's definitely getting there. So I do not like these marks on the wall. I'm looking at the baseboards. The baseboards are collecting dust. Like, my question is, where does the dust come from? Like, where's the dust come from? I'm completely confused about this. Like, why is there dust? Then I'm looking at this shaker wall over here in the family room, and I'm like, do I feel like tackling that today, or do I want to include that in like a living room clean with me? So I might save that, but I definitely want to go around and show you guys some ways that I'm actually going to keep my house looking fresh all the time. And these are some tips that you can definitely use to keep your house looking fresh and up to date anytime. So yeah, let's look at the walls, let's look at the baseboards, and I also want to show you some marks I see on the floor. Now, I've already went around trying to color them in with a permanent marker. Yes, don't do that. They have wood fillers. So I actually purchased some from Amazon. I'll show you guys what they look like. I'm super excited to use them. I haven't used them before, so I'll give you guys an honest review of how they actually fill in the floor. These are wood floors, so I'm super concerned because I am very big on just the style of my home, the feel of my home, the cleanliness of my home. I believe your home is, it's your peace, it's your everything. Like, if you are not happy at home, honey, you are not happy anywhere. But let's go ahead and take a look at these walls.
I know you have questions, I don't have answers, clearly no manners, baby. I know you want it better, putting on the pressure, 'cause pressure's gonna get the very best of me. I give a little something, doesn't come for free. Oh, I know you have questions, baby. Even if I try and try too hard, nothing's ever.
Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is actually take some green painter's tape, and I'm going to go ahead and mark the walls where I want to take a magic eraser and try to clean, or I'm going to take the same color paint and actually just paint over those little marks. Definitely make sure you always have the same color paint, a small can of it, as the color of your wall, so you can always go over for those hard to get stains off the walls. All right guys.
Even if I try too hard, tell me what to do, say anything, yeah. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, if we just try. So come on, baby, dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, baby, try. You find it distracting, hold of our issues, rather die with you. We no longer talk when it gets hard, so it only gets harder. I know you are gonna get the best of me. Come a little closer, we can dive in deep. Oh, I'd rather be with you, baby. Even if I try too hard, nothing's ever enough. Even if I try too hard, tell me what to do, say anything, yeah. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive so hard. Nothing's ever enough, even if I try so hard. Tell me what you do now. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try. So come on, baby, dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, baby, try. Come find me in the night. We both know when it's right. Babe, I can ease your mind, but I want it my way. Come meet me in the crowd. Everything is allowed. Your mind is running wild, but we'll do it my way. Love is a feeling, and you can quench this fire. No. So give me when I want it, baby. 'Cause I got what you need. Just give it to me, oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh, give it to me now. Slow dancing.
All right, guys.
in the night. Yeah.
All right, so I am finished, and I pretty much painted all of the spots on the walls that I seen. I didn't get the doors. So that took almost about an hour, just kind of going through, making sure I gazed. Of course, you guys are not gonna get an hour of that footage, but it took almost an hour just to do that, plus the baseboards. What I used on the baseboards was just a microfiber cloth, and I barely used any water. There was barely any water on there. And I just used that because I've noticed with the baseboards, they are wood baseboards, the paint kind of wipes off, so I don't want to put any water or any product to that. I'm going to figure out how we can actually get that sealed, or I don't know. I'm going to figure that out. If you know how to clean your baseboards, or tell me how you clean your baseboards down in the comments below, because I'm not completely sure. I usually just use a soapy wet cloth, but I didn't realize I'm taking up the paint with that, so I need to change my method of actually cleaning the baseboards. All right, so the markers that I used, and I'll make sure I have them on the screen for you guys, but the markers that I use, I'm not necessarily in love with. I do like them. They did do a good job. I think it's more so because this color is so hard to match. It's like a charcoal, ebony. It's two different colors that's blended a little bit, so I'm not sure what we're gonna do about these floors, but I do need to actually sweep and go over these floors with a dust mop just to kind of get them together. Not sure if we're gonna do that in this vlog today. I'm actually about to get some a smoothie. I'm thirsty. I know you guys are sick of seeing smoothies in my vlogs, so I'm super thirsty. I want to get a smoothie or something to eat. I don't know, like, what do I have a taste for? I don't know. What are you guys eating on for lunch? Let me know so I can make it. All right, so I'm not sure what else I'm about to do for the day. I'm actually waiting on Mom's physical therapist and her nurse. She has a nurse that comes by twice a week. She's amazing. She has given me so many different tips. She's spoken with a nutritionist. Like, we've just been hooking Mama up, okay? But they're actually on their way, so I'm not trying to get in the mode of filming and then have to stop and you know, just be around and answer questions and just do all that. So I hope I don't end the vlog here because it seems extremely short, but if I do, you know the routine, and I'll see you on the next vlog. If not, I'll see you in the next clip.
I wake you up and